How to send disappearing photos on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now you'll come to the main homepage of Snapchat. Now what you have to do is, you have to take a photo first. In order to take a photo, press on the circle button at the bottom. Here we go. Now you can see various options at the right side corner. Now over here you can modify your photos, you can even add filters. But for now, tap on timer icon at the bottom. Okay, here we go. Now you can choose your timings for your photos according to your wish. Now I choose 3 seconds here. Just tap on it. Now you can send this photo to any of your friends. And that's how you send disappearing photos to your friends on Snapchat. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.